At New City Education, our story began in 2016 in Hong Kong with a clear mission to help students succeed. We started by preparing learners for international English exams, and not too long after that, we expanded into STEM education to meet the growing needs of our community. As the world continued to evolve, so did we. Our programs are now available across the United States, Canada, and the Asia-Pacific region. No matter where students live, our online platform gives each learner a dedicated space to focus, grow, and learn at their own pace. We offer forward-looking courses in artificial intelligence, Olympiad and school mathematics, Python, Minecraft, Roblox Studio, C++, Java, Scratch, and more, empowering students to create, innovate, and solve real-world problems. Our goal is simple: to give children a place to explore without limits and build the confidence they need for tomorrow's world. We'd love to partner with you and help prepare your elementary through high school students for an exciting and successful future.